In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for events with specific people in Google Calendar quickly and easily. This is super helpful when you need to find meetings, shared events, or appointments with a particular person without scrolling through your calendar one event at a time. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look for the search icon at the top of the page. This is the quickest way to find events instead of manually searching through days and weeks. Go ahead and click that search icon. A search box will appear, and this is where the magic happens. Now enter the person's name or their email address into the search field. Google Calendar will scan your events and look for anything connected to that person, including meetings they were invited to or events they're listed on. After typing the name or email, press enter on your keyboard. Within a few moments, Google Calendar will show you matching results. Review the list of events carefully and look for the one you want. If you see the correct event, click on it to open the details. From there, you can view the title, time, location, guest list, notes, and any other information attached to the event. This is really useful if you need to confirm meeting details, check who was invited, or find old events involving a specific contact. You can also use this method when you're trying to locate recurring meetings with coworkers, clients, teachers, or family members. It saves time and makes your calendar much easier to manage. So to recap, all you need to do is open Google Calendar, click the search icon, type the person's name or email address, press enter, and then review the matching events. It's a fast and effective way to find exactly what you're looking for. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.